Bonjour tout le monde.
تحياتنا للأصدقاء النجوم. يا ليت يجمعنا الزمان.
Hello from the children of planet Earth.
Saw it first in 1964, hidden on a printout that he hadn't seen before. At the lab at Pasadena, they fed the numbers in of 100 possibilities. Well, this could be the one. There was gonna be a moment when the planets were aligned, a moment in their orbits when they all came to one side, to travel like a slingshot and use the gravity to steer. Another chance won't come again for full 200 years. But Carly knew exactly how a tale should be told, how a story could be broken, how an idea could be sold. He says, let's send a message to whoever finds it first, to tell them that we come in peace. Let's send the sounds of earth. So we made a list of all the sounds to sum up who we are, a mixtape of humanity to travel through the stars. Back at the university, he gathered up his team, Linda, Frank and John and Timothy, and last of all there's Anne. Stravinsky, Bach and Mozart and 50s rock and roll, the crying of a baby and the calling of the whale, dogs and rain and laughter and the singing of the birds, images and diagrams and maps of all the earth. They say there is a kind of spirit music in the world that plays for all eternity as round the sun it turns. If we could preserve it on a record made of gold, it could last 1 billion years or more. Well, and she was so diligent, and she was so keen, and she searched among the archives just to find the missing piece. An out-of-print recording of an ancient Chinese lute, all their hopes depending on discovering this tune. One night she called to tell him that she'd found the flowing stream. She called but found he wasn't home, so played it into his machine. Says I found the missing piece, I think I found our song. Says Carl, it's good to hear your voice, I've been waiting for so long. I've been waiting for a moment when the planets would align, waiting for the feeling, waiting for a sign. It took for us until the sun came glistening o'er the sea. Dawn was breaking, he says, Annie, marry me. Next morning back in New York, they connected the machines, attached the sensors to his skin to record her EG. As soon as they had started, well, she knew what she should do. The sound of someone falling in love. All the time I thought of you, when the Voyagers were ready to be sent upon their way, and the golden record mounted with a needle to make it play. They launched them in September from Cape Canaveral, the furthest man-made objects, they're out there moving still. Beyond our solar system there's a golden calling card, inscribed, please don't disturb me, let me travel to the stars. If one day someone finds it, they will hear the sound of love that could last 1 billion years.